Everyone would agree that sex is an interesting activity that every individual loves. However, the sex drive in every relationship goes down with time. Perhaps you require sex every day for a happy and comfortable living, but unfortunately you realize that your wife is not ready for that. Are you among those unlucky individuals? Do you want to turn that boring relationship into an interesting one? If you need more spark, heat and sex with your wife, then the Text Your Wife Into Bed is the ultimate solution for you. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Text Your Wife Into Bed is a program by Michael Fiore that teaches you on how to use text messages to turn your wife on. This program contains many examples of texts that you can use to text your wife until she goes crazy with anticipation. It is worth noting that Michael Fiore is a relationship coach who uses his prowess to help couples in bettering their relationships. Perhaps you are the type of person who doesn't have the words to tell a woman that you want to sleep with her. This program will save your frustrations. It comes with intensive explanations on how to use short messages and many practical examples. Michael uses videos, PDF and audio files to practically explain his technique. Text Your Wife Into Bed technique is divided into many sections. Michael Fiore explains how to apply the strategies to move your wife closer to the bed for the big event. There are times when you feel that your relationship is boring and uneventful. With the help of this program, you can improve the way you relate. The program helps you to master the art of seducing and sexually attracting your wife. Michael observes that the sexual drive in a relationship depreciates with time. This means that as time goes by, men find hard times in arousing their sexual partners. However, the steps in the book will help you to change the way things are. You can make her have more intimacy and the sexual drive will start rising tremendously. Michael tells you that the type of texts you send to your partner counts. The texts in the ebook are proven to improve her sex desires. The beauty of the text lies in its conversational nature. This gives you an easy job of copying and pasting them to your wife without your creativity. However, if you are clever, you can only note the trend and start sending your own texts using the same tone and content. Click the link in the description below this video for details.